Hi, it's Fat Stormtrooper from Daft Chicken Gaming. I did an unboxing with some quarantine crates for the Invasion update, and I got so much good feedback from that. I've decided to do some more, and the reason why I'm doing more is they have some quite unusual effects in there, like subatomic and nebula, a galactic codex, abduction, those sorts of things that are not readily available. Now, last time I unboxed a one of one universal translator, which is one of the lowest items, but we'll see how we go this time. The ultimate would be to get something like a Corona Australis, for example, with a nebula on, because that's an elite grade with one of the higher tier effects. So let's get straight into the unboxing. But these Phobos filters are a menace. I've got so many of these freaking things. More Phobos filters coming my way. And just for something different, one of those life support system shitheads. Okay, what the fuck else? Oh! A Captain Spaceman. But it's not strange and it's not unusual, so it's not a great thing for me. What else have you got here? Universal Translator, but not even unusual. Let's go along here and have another look. Come on! Oh, that's a load of shit. That's a crock. Let's just try and randomly mix it up. Come on, we can do it! Oi! Oh. Point blank kills. Okay, let's have a look at the next crate. Open with a key. Yep, I sure am sure. Don't tell me Phobos filter. Oh, Universal Translator. But this is a strange one. Still not unusual, so it doesn't really make it justify its worth. Hey, another Universal Translator. I'm going to corner the market these things. I'm going to be a monopoly. Oh, the shooting star. When you wish upon a star, makes no difference who you are. Okay, Captain Spaceman, but it's of course it's not a nebula. I'm fretting here. I just want a nebula. That's not very good, is it? Oh man. Oh, sexy pants. Oh, sexy paint. Oh, sexy counter. Okay. We don't want to win much here. Oh yeah. Krabby Olive. And more of those very, very unusual pants. Fuck. We only got 5 or so boxes left, or 6 boxes. Let's see if we can draw ourselves an unusual. Oh, Phobos filter. Do you remember what I said about Phobos filters? Oh, okay. Add funds. Ah ha 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 ha. Ah ha 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 ha. Ah ha 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 ha. Okay, resume game. Open with a key. Yep, I'm sure. Ah, Phobos filter. Holy shit. Holy shit. Description tag. Yeah, might as well open it. Oh, Godfather. Okay. Operator's overalls. Pyro's killed. That's sacrilege. Shooting star. I've got a few shooting stars. This is the lucky last one. And we can see if we can do it. When you wish upon a star, makes no difference who you are. When you wish upon a star, your dreams come true. Oh shit, man. Okay, Captain Spaceman. So we've just done a whole lot of unboxings. That was actually 20 crates. There was actually 15 keys, but I managed to get another 5. So there's 20 crates. And pretty well, we got some shooting stars, but nothing else. So that's a Fat Stormtrooper from Dark Chicken Gaming. Peace, brothers.